ดีครับ Welcome to my first episode. Today we gonna learn how to cook ทอดมันกุ้ง I'll show you the ingredients. This one minced pork, breadcrumbs. This one, of course, we have chicken, flour, salt, and pepper. Oh, sorry, we forgot something super important ingredient. Some egg. Go. Okay. First step, we have to blend the chicken over here. You see, I'm taking, then we put inside. You see? Put inside, right? Put inside. Wow. Ready, set, go.
Okay, Mama help you.
Okay, we blend the chicken and we didn't open the video, so we directly blend the pork. You see?
Minced pork.
Minced pork, you see?
Okay.
Right?
Let's mix the minced pork.
And with the chicken. Put inside.
Yes.
Let's put inside the pork. Yeah. See? Mix. Oh yeah. Just pour inside. Just pour inside with the chicken. You see? You see, guys? You see? Yeah.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, let's mix this together.
Mix turn.
Yes, mix it.
Hello. So after we mix it, we're gonna put pepper. A little bit of pepper enough. Okay, like this, okay? After that, we use salt. Like this, right?
Yes.
And after that, you put the flour. You see? You put the flour.
What's flour this? Corn flour.
Corn flour. Ready? Let go. Like this. And then we add an egg. See, guys? Right? After that, we
Mix
go
it.
to mix.
With spoon also can, but you wash your hand again.
Okay, we mix it.
After we put all the ingredients.
After we put all the ingredients, we'll mix like this, okay?
Okay.
Like this. Even the egg also mix. You see, I also mix egg. See? Yuck.
It's sticky, right?
Yeah, you see, you stick on the hands. Okay,
Do you
guys?
have fun to mix this up?
Yes, okay, guys? Like this.
Okay. So, do you want to start it? Mix and massage the meat?
If you want to watch more of my video, click subscribe, okay?
Okay. And click like.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
You see?
Okay. Massage the meat.
You see
Mix
the
it
egg
up
is
and
cracked,
introduce-
right?
Yeah.
Mix together. Mix. So we don't have oily. The egg cover it all, right? But our hands still dirty, guys. We're gonna mix the pork. You see? We touch again. And the dish, you see?
Make it become like a ball, not ball, just flat round. Okay.
You see?
And put. Okay. It's too sticky. Okay.
They stick together.
Okay, enough now.
Hello. So after that, we mix like this with the breadcrumbs. Then after that, you see we gotta do.
We heat up the oil.
We already put out the oil, you see?
Yes.
And oil. And you see, you're already on the stove, right?
Yeah.
So
wait for the oil hot first.
wait for the oil hot first,
Then we fry.
This breadcrumbs. Bye. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Just now we've been a long time, right? Come on, I'll show you something. So here's the oil, you see? Then over here is the pork and the breadcrumbs, right? Just told you. So later, my mama who's recording me is going to cook this one. But after that, I will. You see over here, I will take this one take the pork with the breadcrumbs, put inside, then I will fry it. This is not called cooking only, it's a frying. It's frying.
Deep fry.
Deep fry. So over there got the pork with the breadcrumbs. So all this, my mama made it for me.
Okay.
So,
Be careful.
so over here, you see, just now, you see, over here. Come, I will show you something. Follow me. Okay, so over here, we keep the breadcrumbs that is over here with the pork. Okay, we're done. Sorry, we've been a long time, but we're done over here. So after we done this, we gotta make a decoration on top. You see, this one cannot eat because it needs to be round, and you see here's the breadcrumbs. Here's the breadcrumbs, but it's become hard. Cannot come out, but come out a little bit already. But
Crunchy.
it is crunchy, you see? Crunchy. But after that, we gotta decorate it. And after that, we'll see you on the next video. Bye! It's me, Porsche. Sorry, we forgot something, but we already eat because we are very hungry of the food. So I will tell you the taste now. It's double thumbs up. Okay, so